Surround yourself with people that you love. Don't separate yourself from everyone just because to be alone is not enough. And I should know, I've been there before. Ooh, is there anybody out there? Is there anybody you know you can trust? We just want to be happy. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Nothing tension, nothing gains. Just try the best you can and give it everything. Not to mention we're scared to fail. We got our higher hopes, so never let them go. It's nice to see that smile upon your face.